If you've been playing the new Overwatch, you may have noticed that Blizzard decided to change the name of McCree to his first name, Cassidy. You may be wondering, why is this? Well, in late 2017, McCree came under allegations of being a Northern Irish Republican sympathizer. These allegations were widespread in starting a hashtag on Twitter, hashtag #CancelMcCree. Due to these allegations, Blizzard has since changed his name to his birth name, Cassidy, in order to separate him from this. However, there is still speculation that Cassidy McCree is an IRA sleeper cell agent. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below.